Sipping coffee on the tailgate, sun's coming up. Got that cool motor humming, time to fire her up. My Ripper R32 excavator sitting ready to go. Best 3.2 tons of steel I'll ever know. She's dug 100 trenches, cleared the land, 9 feet deep with precision and command. Zero tail swing dancing, tied around the trees. This mini excavator moves with so much ease. We're living the R32 way, getting more done every single day. From the first light to the fading sun, there's a satisfaction when the work gets done. With dirt on our boots and pride in our chest, we found the machine that handles the test. Yeah, we're living the R32 way, and brother, that's something money can't pay. My neighbor stopped by, said, "What you running there?" Watched me excavate for hours from his lawn chair. I saw that side swing boom working magic in tight spaces. He called up JoyT5, got his Ripper R32 changing places. JoyT5's got the warranty and support you need. 3 years of coverage, parts guaranteed. Pilot control smooth as butter on toast. That hydraulic thumb is what we love the most. We're living the R32 way, getting more done every single day. From the first light to the fading sun, there's a satisfaction when the work gets done. With dirt on our boots and pride in our chest, we found the machine that handles the test. Yeah, we're living the R32 way, and brother, that's something money can't pay. Built that pond I've been dreaming about, dug the foundation when the barn gave out, trenched the water lines across the property, landscaped the front yard, shaped it perfectly, graded the driveway, leveled the pad. Best investment in equipment I ever had. She's not just sitting there collecting dust, my Ripper R32 working daily, earning my trust. I used to rent by the day, watch the clock tick away, rush the job, hope the weather would stay. Now I work at my pace, take the time to do it right. Got my R32 waiting ready for the fight. Compact but powerful, fits where others can't go. Versatile attachments for every job I know. Stable and steady on uneven ground. JoyT5's got the Ripper R32, best deal around. There's a pride in knowing what you can do when you got a 3-ton digger to see it through. Not about showing off or making a scene, it's about the freedom of owning your machine. Digging footers, pulling stumps, moving stone, demolition work, setting posts alone. From landscaping projects to utility lines, this excavator handles it every time. Met some good folks in the online groups, sharing tips and tricks, the whole Ripper crew. From coast to coast, we all understand there's something special about working your land. One guy's clearing trails up in the timber, another's digging basements through the winter. Some are contractors, some work their own place, but we all know the power of this compact base. JoyT5 made it easy with financing in hand, fast delivery right across the land. Kubota diesel engine, 24 horses strong, heavy duty undercarriage rolling all day long. We're living the R32 way, getting more done every single day. From the first light to the fading sun, there's a satisfaction when the work gets done. With dirt on our boots and pride in our chest, we found the machine that handles the test. Yeah, we're living the R32 way, we're living the R32 way. No more waiting, no more delay. Independent, capable, and free. Just me and my Ripper R32, the way it should be. With dirt on our boots and sweat on our brow, we've got the machine that shows us how. Yeah, we're living the R32 way, and brother, that's something money can't pay. So here's to the early mornings and the long days, to the trenches dug in the ground we graded, to the community we found along the road, and the mini excavator that lightens the load. 3.2 tons of pure K R32.